Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make gooseberry or Amla Murabba. Let's start with the ingredients. Boil amla 1.5 kg, sugar 1.3 kg, you can add more if you want, saffron few strands, some cardamom powder, few cloves, few cinnamon. Now heat sugar with 1 glass of water in a thick bottomed pan and stir it till sugar dissolved completely and forms a syrup of 1 string consistency. Look, this is the 1 string consistency. Now add amla into the sugar syrup and cook continuously. You know guys, gooseberry or amla is a super healthy ingredient. It is rich source of antioxidants, iron, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, magnesium and calcium. So it makes a lot of sense to make a batch of these when the fruit is in the season. Now add our cinnamons and cloves and stir it well. See, it's soft and transparent. That means it's done. Now add cardamom powder and saffron into it. Allow this murabba to cool completely and store it in an airtight container in room temperature for up to 1 year. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. Feel free to share this video too.